Patricia Riley from Oshawa's Chiropractic Wellness and Rehabilitation, and in today's video I'm going to discuss a little bit about chiropractic care. So chiropractic today is one of the largest primary care health professions in Canada with over 6,000 practicing chiropractors. Each year about 4.5 million Canadians utilize chiropractic care. Chiropractors practice a drug-free manual approach to health care that includes patient assessment in the form of a history and examination, a report of findings including a diagnosis, and a treatment provided you're a candidate for care. In particular, chiropractors assess patients for conditions related to the spine, pelvis, extremity joints, and how they affect the nervous system. Chiropractors are also trained to recommend therapeutic exercise and to utilize other non-invasive therapies, as well as provide nutritional, dietary, and lifestyle counseling. Chiropractic is a natural, non-invasive approach to healthcare. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what an adjustment is. An adjustment is the most common form of treatment that is utilized by chiropractors in clinical practice. It's also known as spinal manipulative therapy. An adjustment is a non-invasive manual procedure that utilizes the highly refined skills developed through an intensive 4 years of chiropractic education. An adjustment is a carefully controlled procedure delivered by a skilled practitioner to a dysfunctional spinal or extremity joint. And the primary goal is to decrease pain and improve range of motion, and by doing so we can increase movement within the joints and the supporting tissues and decrease muscle spasm and tightness. The vast majority of patients who seek chiropractic health care will do so for complaints related to the musculoskeletal system, most often conditions related to the spine, but also the neck, the mid-back, the low back, and for complaints of headaches, but the other joints throughout the body as well. Research studies have demonstrated that chiropractic treatment is effective for these conditions. Legislative bodies across Canada and researchers and governments around the world have conducted extensive reviews of the chiropractic profession and have consistently endorsed chiropractic services. Chiropractors are regulated and they're primary healthcare providers. So in cases such as low back pain, chiropractic care may be the preferred method of treatment. Where other medical conditions exist, chiropractic care can support the medical treatment by relieving the musculoskeletal aspects that are associated with that condition. Chiropractic care can also be palliative, so it provides symptomatic relief to the musculoskeletal disorders that are associated with certain chronic conditions. And although the majority of our patients will visit us when they're in pain, the true value of chiropractic lies in its preventative abilities. After alleviating any acute, subacute, or chronic pain, our goal is then to continue our patients on a preventative basis to reach their maximal level of health. And this can be done through adjustments, soft tissue therapy, electrical modalities, stretches, exercises, advice at home, and much, much more. To remember that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So a doctor of chiropractic has an undergraduate degree from university, or an undergraduate education from university, and has also spent 4 years at an accredited chiropractic institution, receiving more than 4,200 hours of specialized clinical training. The chiropractic curriculum at the Canadian Memorial Chiropractic College in Toronto includes studies in anatomy, radiology, pathology, biomechanics, chiropractic principles and diagnosis, and of course adjustment techniques, among many other courses that we do receive while we're there. Chiropractors are one of only 5 classes of healthcare professionals in Ontario that are able to utilize the title doctor, with its accompanying rights and obligations. So I hope that I've answered any questions that you may have had about what chiropractic is and the level of education that chiropractors do have. Please stay tuned for later videos where we'll delve into a lot more specifics. And of course you can visit our website, www.oshawachiropractor.com, for further information about what we do and what specifically our clinic offers. And you can also like us on Facebook under the name Chiropractic Wellness and Rehabilitation. Thank you very much.